Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Starting our analysis off with sterling yen. Well, the cross got a rebound to right where we said it might possibly go, 195.25. I believe I had a point up there for resistance. Touched perfectly. I actually didn't see it. I was watching dollar yen. And that caused me to actually miss my sale at 194.60. That was a beautiful sale right now. We're approaching right now 193.91 support, coming right back into this circle right here. Sterling hasn't really exploded upward. We're going to be getting into that currency in a second. It's basically sitting right at resistance right now. Not saying it can't do it. Euro dollar is kind of getting a little bit of a buoyancy, trading at 114.25. So what's next with this thing? Well, it's got to get over, I would think right now, if it's going to show any type of strength. It's got to get over. I'm going to move it up to 76. It's got to get over 76. That's a place where it can start to show some strength, and say it's kind of recovering a little bit. But right now, I think it's just in a little bit of a chop zone. And where's that thing? Let me get rid of that little arrow. Although it wasn't bad that it came up, showed up right there. But that's the point, that it's got to turn back over to show strength. If it breaks this level, you got to pay attention to dollar yen. If it breaks this 193.91 level, we're going back down into this area here, 193.50, 193.60. Again, this is all going to be part of dollar yen. Dollar yen sinking a little bit right now, and we're going to get into dollar yen right now. Let's do it right now. So here's the point. It's got to get above today. It's got to get above, like, say, 75-ish, right? And then I say 75, not 60. I wanted to move this up to 75. If you're a bear, you'd want to sell any type of little bit of a rally up in here with a stop above, I would say like 194 or 195 the figure or something. But it's showing some weakness. If it breaks to 92, we're probably heading down to 193, say 40, 45, 50 before it takes another breath. So that's the key point right now, and the key point on top. Key point on the bottom is 193.90, 194, say 75-ish. Let's go over to good old dollar yen. This one really fooked me good, okay? I'll tell you that right now, just being completely transparent. This morning I bought it at 144.08. I sold 1/3 off at 144.28. I was thinking that if we broke the 144.40, I would buy more. I would think that, there's a reversal happening. We could get up to 145. Put my stop at entry. Went to go do something. Come back. Boom. 143.50. I'm like, what the freak? No clue what's happening really in dollar yen. It looks like it's going back on to risk on. They're getting into the yen. That's why they sold off sterling yen. The only thing that's going to help the sterling yen cross right now is straight up sterling dollar. So we're breaking through the support at 143.15. Right now, 65.70, 143. Right there. This damn little 1 hour bars close right there. In order for it to actually show that it's regaining strength, it's got to come up here. If you're a bear, you'd want to sell anything that's close to this with a stop above it, and you're looking for a target to hit 142, like 55. If this goes, let's open up 142 to figure. Let's get on over to good old, let's see, I did sterling yen, I did sterling dollar. Did I do sterling dollar? No, I got to do sterling dollar. Here it is. Sterling dollar hitting the resistance line right here. Main resistance 136 the figure. If it crawls up over this, it's showing some really good bullish capacity. Right now, as it stands, it's got a hold. I'm going to go 134. 135, I'm sorry. 135.20. It's got a hold 135.20. If If we could hold this level, it looks like we're going to be testing like 136.30. So cable's got some buoyancy, man. It cleared through this congestion, and now it's starting to actually show some strength in this thing. And that it's also being followed in dollar yen right now at 143.02. Damn, I got to get involved in some. I got to find something, man. Okay, let's get over to euro yen. All right, this was yesterday's idea that we said that this level had to hold. It did. And this was the resistance point. It actually broke through and got rejected right now. So euro yen. Oh, man. Poof. Wow. Hang on a second. This is actually still a good point. It's got to get above 84. Right now it's drifting down to the lower support. Longer term on the 4-hour 160. I'm going to go 163, the FIG. 163.12. I'll go right into the middle of this stuff right there. Let me get rid of this. So that was yesterday. Right there. 163.14 is the next level of support for this thing. All right, 163.09. I'll take 163.09. If it breaks that, it's going to do a little chop between 80 and 09 and potentially drop to 162.41. It needs to get back up above this level to show strength, and it's got really, some tough resistance up here at 164, say 50 or so. But we'll see. I mean, if dollar yen turns around, we got a possibility of being able for this cross to actually regain some strength. But as it stands right now, it's drifting towards that 163.09. All right, so if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to go over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.